Hey guys, we have another big box to open up. It's been here for like 5 hours, but I've been busy dealing with my mom. She had surgery on her shoulder last week, so it's been a little crazy and hectic. So let's go ahead and get inside this box. We have Miss Lola Bell and Big Head over there. So So, this is the girl who started this Supia obsession. Took me a while to get her because I was on the fence with her, but she's here thanks to my mom. So, let's see what she looks like. Let's just take the whole box out. Sit over there. Okay, here we go. The only downside to these BJDs compared to smart dolls is boxes. This is our second SupiaDoll, and it's just like the boxes are so massive. You don't want to throw the box away in case you sell the doll. So it's a dilemma. And you take the bottom of the box. Take this off. Yes, Capone, we're opening something, baby. Bless you, Lola. Okay. Yes, it's been no. Thank you. Yes, we're opening something. Let's take a peek. Ooh, I see her. She is bubble wrapped. So I'm going to go ahead and get the bubble wrap off. And then you guys get to see what she looks like. Okay, nosy boy? Okay. So she's out of her bubble wrap. And this is what she looks like, you guys. I popped these eyes in her because the ones that I was planning on using didn't really work with her. But her face is just wow. Let's get her closer. Her lighting is not the best. There she is. So here's her beautiful face up. I think she has the Black Swan. Fingers crossed I remembered it correctly. But she has the same face up that Raven has. They both have Black Swan. But this girl is wow. She is really beautiful. I cannot wait to put a wig on her and some clothes. She's gorgeous. Still iffy on her name. But, man, look at her, you guys. Love her. Big thanks to my mom, but, you know, I don't mind taking care of her. That's a child's job as far as I'm concerned when it comes to parents. So, let's go ahead and get you guys back on the clamp, and let's look at what came in her little bag. So, clamp successful. Okay. So, in case you don't know, they have magnetic ears. They usually come with 2 sets. So Wow, she came with 3 pairs of ears. Wow, okay. That's the first. The Raven only came with 2 pair. Okay, let's just do these eyes and put them somewhere else. I get really crazy about losing ears, so I found these cases. They're called floating frames. Found them on Amazon after getting one with Raven, so I like to store the ears in here. So these are her human ears. Oh, never saw these before. These are her pointed elf ears. I didn't think I was going to like the pointed ones, but I actually saw them, where is it, last night on another doll. And that's okay if you like that alien elf look, but we'll keep them. These are the ones that I love, though. I can never get them on right. Yeah, wrong way, wrong side. I can never figure out these bad boys. There we go. I love these ears the best. But you are going to be a human girl, so human ears it shall be. So there's my lovely lady. I didn't make her an outfit because I was busy, taking care of my mom and stuff. So sewing has been a big fat 0 the past week and a half. But this lady needs a new outfit, so I'll have to sew something before we can finish up her unboxing. So today is, what is today? Friday the 18th of October. And it's like 9:14 at night. So hopefully I can go ahead and do some sewing this weekend and get her an outfit, and we can go ahead and finish up this unboxing. So here she is. Let's finish looking at her stuff. But as I'm looking at her, I'm noticing that this eye is more up than this eye, and that's gonna drive me crazy. So let me fix it real quick. That's gonna drive me crazy. Well, okay, I'll do it with you guys off camera because y'all do not want to watch me do that. Anyway, so we have a bonus wig and her COA with the original owner's info on it. I think this is the wig that I saw her in a video wearing. It's a cute little wig. Definitely needs some spray to get it under control, but we'll try this on later. For now I have some TTYA things that she can fit. So I'll probably just put her in something like that until I make her outfit. But that is it. I'm gonna work in here. Okay, so that's it for now. I have some sewing to do, and then you guys get to see this adorable young lady in some clothes. So we'll be back. You guys keep watching, and we'll be back, you guys.